Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the power and performance of a car engine? Do you want to discover the magical element that makes it work efficiently and smoothly? In this video, we will unveil one of the secrets to achieving unmatched engine performance. When we talk about fuel injectors, they are an essential part of your car's fuel system, playing a crucial role in ensuring proper fuel distribution to the cylinders and efficient combustion. So, what exactly is their role? And what are the signs that indicate their damage? Let's find out. Fuel injectors are the components that control the volume and timing of fuel injection into the cylinders. These injectors operate by opening and closing precise valves at the right time, allowing fuel to enter the cylinders and ensuring effective combustion. Fuel injectors are located in the upper part of the engine at the end of the air manifold before the intake valve of the air-fuel mixture into the cylinders individually, distributing fuel more accurately. This results in delivering fuel in the form of a spray to the cylinder, increasing engine efficiency and improving fuel consumption. There are several reasons for fuel injector damage, including the accumulation of deposits. Deposits or dirt in the fuel or fuel system can clog injector openings, leading to damage. Over time, injectors may corrode due to continuous use, affecting their efficiency and performance, as well as due to lack of periodic maintenance. Failure to clean or replace injectors regularly can cause excessive accumulation of deposits and corrosion. Signs of damage include decreased engine performance, where you may experience power loss and speed fluctuations, or increased fuel consumption. These are signs of fuel injector damage. If fuel injectors are not working properly, you may have difficulty starting the engine. In conclusion, fuel injectors are a fundamental element of the car's fuel system, ensuring proper fuel distribution to the cylinders. It is essential to perform regular maintenance and replacement as needed to maintain engine performance and efficiency. Discover more about the roles of essential parts of your car on our channel.